Capstone project book exchange. Let's run the server. This web application is designed for sharing books. It's possible to exchange a book you have read for another one offered for exchange. Active listing page shows all uploaded books in reverse order. Last uploaded shows first. This page also shows exchange offers and comments. Genres page shows books in the same manner but separate them by genre. Cookbooks, memoir, and so on. This web page has a register form and login form. I already have registered some users and uploaded few books. Let's log in as George and upload a book. Press Offer your book and fill out the form. The book appears in active listings. Registered user could make changes in the offers that he owns. I will change the price. Let's log in as Henry and offer to exchange George's books. Offer an exchange. Make right selection and offers will appear in listing page. Offer appear. It's possible to write some comments to the listing. Comments appear without page reloading. Book owner could close the listing. Book will appear in closed listing. Owner can reactivate this listing. And book will return back to active listing. Let's log in as Mia and explore the mobile version. Page displays properly. Let's test a pagination. Second page. Genre page also works. Let's select a cookbook. Thank you for watching. Bye.